In this video, I am going to solve this first order linear differential equation. So first of all, let's go ahead and write down the general structure / format for first order linear differential equation, which is dy over dt plus p of t times y is equal to g of t. Now p of t is the coefficient of y, and the coefficient of y in this equation is 5. So this is 5. Now the way to solve the first order linear differential equation is just by multiplying by the integrating factor. So integrating factor, as you probably already know, is mu of t is defined as e to the power integral p of t dt, where p of t is the coefficient of y, which is a function of t. So that is going to be e to the power integral p of t is 5. So it's going to be 5 dt, and that's going to be e to the power 5 integral dt. That is going to be e to the power 5t. So my mu of t is e to the power 5t. Now I'm going to take this mu of t and then multiply this equation by this mu of t, both sides. So if I do that, I get the following. So e to the power 5t times dy over dt plus 5 times e to the power 5t times y is equal to e to the power 5t times e to the power negative 5t. So e to the power 5t times e to the power negative 5t is e to the power 5t minus 5t. That is going to be e to the power 0, which is 1. Now, if we further simplify it, we get, on the left-hand side, by the way, this is just going to be the derivative of mu times y. So it's going to be mu is e to the power 5t and times y. And you can check it just by using the product rule for derivatives. And the right-hand side just becomes 1. Now, at this point, I can go ahead and take integral of both sides. So integral d over dt e to the power 5t y, and I take integral with respect to t, is going to be integral 1 dt. Now the left hand side integration and derivative, they are going to cancel each other, is going to give me e to the power 5t times y is equal to, on the right hand side, it is just t. Integral of 1 dt is just t plus some arbitrary constant c. Now to solve for y, all we need to do is multiply this whole thing by e to the power negative 5t. So if I do that, I'm going to get e to the power negative 5t times e to the power 5t times y is equal to e to the power negative 5t times t plus c times e to the power negative 5t. Now, as I just showed you over here, this is going to give me just 1. So that's going to give me y, or y of t, on the left hand side, because this is going to be just 1, is equal to t times e to the power negative 5t plus c, some arbitrary constant, times e to the power negative 5t. Now this should be the solution to this first order linear differential equation. So this is the general solution to this first order linear differential equation. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.